How to remove phone number from Snapchat account. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Snapchat application. Then go to your profile icon from your top left corner. From your top right, go to the settings icon. After that, go to phone number. If you had entered or verified any phone number, you will also get an option to change it or remove it. Since I have not added any phone number, I cannot remove it because there is nothing. But if you do, you can easily have an option of removing it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.